Right, welcome back to Knowledge Centre. Today I'm going to be showing you around the Ford Sync 4 infotainment system. I'm currently sat in a Ford Focus which has the Sync 4 system in it. With the new models coming up from Ford, they are likely to have the Ford Sync system, so this video should help you out with that as well. So to start with, as we can see, we have the big 13.2 inch touchscreen in front of you. And you can see on the bottom we have this toolbar which gives you all of the heating controls. They used to be down here, but now they have been moved onto the screen. So if we just go through that quickly, we can see you've got your heated seats for the passengers there. They go on a slidey bar here, as you can see, 3 being nice and warm and that being off. And if we just hit that button there, that goes down there. We have the dual zone heating controls here, so we can click on that, and again that can slide high to low, and you can also do it manually with the button there as well. Got your air conditioning there, your rear screen, your front heated windscreen, and if we click on this one here, we have the controls for keeping your feet warm, keeping your upper body warm or cold, and then obviously the front screen as well. And if we just switch them all off there as well, and of course you can turn it all on and off there like so, and then to get rid of that we just click on there. And obviously you've got your auto climate control there, and then we've got the blower speeds here as well. And as you can see, a nice cool feature, the further up you move it, the faster the fan goes at the bottom, which is quite cool. We'll turn that off because it's making a bit of noise. And if we just tap off there. Let's move on to the navigation system. So if we just click the big map here, you can see we get an even bigger map. And if we just expand that there, we can get rid of the radio thingy-majiggy there. And as you can see, very responsive. We can zoom all the way out. A cool feature I found, you can even zoom out into space. There you go. Not that that's relevant to what you'll be needing if you're having a trip to Tesco, but it's there if you want to see the world. But anyway, let's move back to the car where we are. As you can see, we're in Buckingham in the showroom. Just go through your search bar there, so you can search your bits in there, your home, your work, your recents if you need those. You've also got some more tools up here which you can turn on and off when driving. It will show you obviously your exits, your traffic, parking, etc. And down here it even shows you how far above sea level you are. So obviously the elevation there. Over here you've got the direction that the car is pointing in, and of course the location there. And that is pretty much the map. Obviously you can change the view, so you have a bird's eye view there, or the 3D view, so you can sort of see ahead of where you are going. Right, so moving on from the navigation, if we just hit the home button there, we get back to the home screen, and let's have a look at the audio features. So if we click on that one, it brings up the radio, which is up here. You obviously got the map here, which you can slide up and down. Obviously you can see the map or phone if you're paired to that. And obviously we've got your sources here. We're on FM at the moment. You also have DAB and Bluetooth audio. If you need to change station, you can slide. Obviously not preset yet, but you can go onto here and change them along here. And then obviously you can go back to the home screen as well. If you need to pair your phone, which most likely you will do for phone calls, you can click add a phone here. Obviously it will come up with this prompt message, and then obviously if you turn your Bluetooth on, you can hit discover, or it will come up on your phone and it will connect it up for you there. If you want a video on how to do that, let us know and we can do that for you. But for now we will go back onto the home and we'll show you some other features. Obviously we have the settings up here. Now obviously it's your general bits and bobs. Obviously if you want to, for example, change the sound, you can change the stereo tones there. Vehicle, obviously your vehicle settings there, windows, wipers, locks, mirrors, timers and things like that. Your clock, obviously at the moment we can see the time. You can change that to 24-hour mode or normal, but it's on 12, so you won't be able to see that. And then yeah, just change it like that. But yeah, auto update will keep that on. And if we go back, we can see some more general bits, your language, your temperatures, miles, all of that good stuff. If we go onto display, we can go onto here. Now, if you don't like the dark mode, you can obviously go onto day, and that brightens everything up. As you can see, it's taking a while. There we go. So it's a bit brighter for you, so you can sort of see that there. And if we, we'll leave that for now. We'll leave it for now, so you can just see what we're doing. Obviously, you've got connectivity, Ford Assist, emergency assistance, vehicle hotspot, and mobile apps, which is a handy one, because obviously you can do via USB with the Sync 3, but on Sync 4 you can use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, which obviously is a lot better because you don't have to keep plugging your phone in and out all the time. One feature which is quite cool on the new Sync 4 system is the driving modes. So if we go down to this bit here, you can see you've got your driving modes, your max heating controls, auto stop start and parking. So if we just click that one, we can see on the display, you can see what mode you're in. So driving mode normal comes up with this nice funky display of a city. If we go on to eco, it comes up with a nice green, eco-friendly graphic there. And then sport mode, a bit more aggressive, a bit more sportier, nice and red. This nice graphic here as well, which is quite cool. But that is pretty much the whole of the Sync 4 system covered. Those are the basics, I would say. If you would like some help with obviously pairing your phone and connecting up to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, then please leave a comment and we will happily make a video on that. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and yeah, stay tuned for more Knowledge Centre videos.